guys and girls, I'm here from Sherwood Dodge presenting you 2021 Tradesman 3/4 ton with 6.4 Hemi. This one is the Power Wagon package. That's why you see the winch in this one, and of course nice upgraded wheels and tire with a little bit lift here on leveling kit. And this one is of course with the trailer tow mirrors, which you can put it outside. This one also has your blind spot monitoring. This one of course has the power folding mirrors in case if you're looking to park this vehicle in the garage. This one comes with your Apple's CarPlay. You have 8.4 inches screen. Of course the bed utility group in this one. Being crew cab, so much space here. And if you come in the back, you will of course see the step to jump in the box. This is very helpful, just like this, and you can go in the box as well. This one of course comes with rear sensors, your hitch receiver, 480 pin if you have a different trailer. So please call me at 780-802-4421 if you wanted to take this vehicle on a test drive and of course buy it. See ya.